Exercise 1.5. See question number 1. Question number first. Let f is from 1 to 3 to a, b, c. One function is given from 1 to 3 to a, b, c. It means for this function, this is domain, this is codomain. And be a function defined by f1 is equal to a. It is given f of 1 is equal to a, f of 2 is equal to b, f of 2 is equal to b, and f of 3 is equal to c. These three are given, values are given. Show that f is invertible. You have to show that this function is invertible. So you see f of 1 is equal to a, f of 2 is equal to b, f of 3 is equal to c. So I can see 1, 2, 3. All three values they have calculated. Means domain is equal to what? Domain of function is what? 1, 2, 3. This is clear. And range of a function is what? 1 is related to what? A. So this is a, comma, b, comma, c. So you can see here RF is equal to a, comma, b, comma, c. If I will write here, let's say this is a set, this is b set. If this is a set and this is b set, this is 1, 2, 3, and here it is a, b, c. 1 is related to a, 2 is related to b, 3 is related to c. So I can say here all distinct elements from domain A is related to different elements in B, or I can say all elements have different images in B. Is it clear? So this is what? 1, 1 function. This is 1, 1 function, and I can say here range of a function a, b, c is equal to codomain. RF is equal to a, b, c is equal to what? Codomain of function. So I can say this is onto also. Both conditions are satisfying. This is 1, 1 also and onto function also. Hence prove that it is an invertible function. Like this you can say this is an invertible or inversible function. Is it clear? It is an inversible function. Now they are asking also and find f inverse. F inverse will be what? First to tell me what is f. F is equal to what? If I will write in ordered pair, 1 comma a, 2 comma b, 3 comma c. So f inverse will be what? A comma 1, b comma 2, c comma 3. Is it clear? So this is f inverse. Now they are asking also show that f inverse of inverse is equal to f. F inverse of inverse will be what? Do inverse of that again will become what? Inverse of this. So 1 comma a, 2 comma b, 3 comma c. So I can say this and this is what? Same. So f inverse of inverse is equal to f. So hence proved. Like this you have to solve. Now question number second. Now you can see question number second. What they are asking, let S one set is given 1, 2, 3. 3 elements are there. Determine whether the function f is from one function is defined from S to S. F is from S to S defined as below have inverse function. As below have inverse function. And below have inverse. Find f inverse if it exists. You have to find f inverse if it exists. F is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. F is from S to S. So here for function f, you can see, if I write like this, this is S to S. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 is related to 1, 2 is related to 2, 3 is related to 3. All distinct elements from domain have distinct images in this codomain. So I can say this function is what? 1, 1. And this function is onto also because all elements have pre-image in X, or all elements are used. All elements are used, or all elements are image of any element of X. So I can say here codomain is equal to what? Range what? 1, 2, 3, and codomain is also what? 1, 2, 3. That is S only. So I can say this function is what? Here I can say function is 1, 1 also, and f is onto also because codomain is equal to range. Codomain is equal to range. Range is equal to codomain. So I can say this is onto, so both. So F inverse exists. F inverse exists means 1, 1, comma 1. I can write 1, comma 1, 2, comma 2, and 3, comma 3. Is it clear? Now second part you can see. This is first part. Now second part. Second part you can see it is given F is equal to 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1. Sorry, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1. So this is what for this function I'm writing. This is domain, this is codomain. S to S. So now you see 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is domain, this is codomain. Now I will 1, 2. So 1, 2. 2, 1. This 3, now you see 2 and 3 are same elements, same image in codomain. Means f of 2 is also what? 1, and f of 3 is also equal to what? 1. It is not possible. It is not possible. It is what? Many one function. This is many one function. It is not 1, 1. Is it clear? Not 1. So it is not 1, 1. Now on to. Here 3 is not, and 3 does not belong to range of a function. Is it clear? 3 does not belong to range of a function. Is it clear? So here range is what? Rf is equal to what? Only 1, 2. 3 is not attached to any element of from this domain, or 3 is not image of any element of X. So 1, 2 is the range, is not equal to codomain of F, because codomain of F is what? S, that is what? 1, 2, 3, but range of function is what? 1, 2. So I can say this is not onto also. This is not onto also. This is not 1, 1 also. This is 1, 1, not 1, 1, not onto. So if it is not 1, 1, not onto means it is not an invertible function. I can't find F inverse for this function. So I can say F inverse does not exist. Does not exist. Now third part you can see. Third part you can see 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. This function. So you know. Domain, codomain, S, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3. Function is what? 1, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. So it is an invertible or not? Yes. 1 is related to 3, 2 is related to 1, 3 is related to 2. So you can say all elements from domain, So distinct elements of domain have distinct images in codomain. So you can see f of 1 is equal to what? 3. F of 3 is equal to what? 2. F of 2 is equal to what? And distinct elements have distinct images in codomain. So I can say this function is what? 1, 1 function. 1, 1 function. Now here 1, 2, 3. All elements are images of any element of from any element of X. So all are images of any element of X. So I can say here range of a function is equal to what? Codomain of function is equal to what? 1, 2, 3. Here codomain is what? S. That is what? 1, 2, 3. And here range is what? 1, 2, 3. All are attached to this. From all elements are attached to any element of X. So range and codomain are equal. So this is onto also. So F inverse exists. F inverse exists, and F inverse will go 1, 3. So it will be 3, 1. So 2, 3. 2, 1. So here it is 1, F inverse is 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Now fourth part. Fourth part you can see F is equal to 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1. 1 3 2 2 1 3 2 2 3 1. Now you see here same as domain codomain 1 2 3 1 2 3. 1 is related to 3, 2 is related to 3 is related to 1. Same I can say here what F inverse exists because distinct elements from X, distinct elements from domain have distinct images in Y. Means S here Y is what? X and Y if I take. So this codomain have distinct. Here from domain if I take all distinct elements, they have distinct images in this codomain, that is S. So I can say here this is 1 1 function also. All distinct elements have distinct images. So this is 1 1 and here 1 2 3. All elements are images of any element from this set. So I can say this is onto also because here range of a function is equal to what? Codomain of a function. Codomain of function. So I can say is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. So I can say this is onto function also. This is 1 1 function, onto function both. So I can say invertible. It is possible. This function is invertible or inversible. So F inverse exists and F inverse will be what? 1 comma 3. So here it will be 3 comma 1 and 2 comma 2. So 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 1. So 1 comma. This is F inverse 3 comma 1, 2 comma 2 and 1 comma 3. Now question number 3rd. Question number 3rd you can see. Explain why the following functions do not have inverse. Explain why the following functions do not have inverse. First part, F is from not function is given from x to y. F is from x to y. First part they are asking x is equal to r minus, exclude this 0, and y is equal to r. Y is equal to r, and fx is equal to 1 by x. F of x is equal to 1 by x. For all x belongs to x. Is it clear? So f's function is defined from x to y. X is equal to r minus real numbers minus 0. That 0 I can't take. Y is equal to r. And fx one function is given, that is 1 by x. For all x belongs to x. You have to explain why the following functions do not have inverse. Okay. So let x1 comma x2. Let x1 comma x2 belongs to x. That is what? Domain, and this is codomain. So domain. Let x1 comma x2 belongs to x domain such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. So I can say 1 upon x1 is equal to 1 upon x2. So I can say 1 cancel, or x1 is equal to x2. I can say x1 is equal to x2, or I can say f is what? 1 function. F is what? 1 function. Here x1 and x2 is equal. Is it clear? X1 and x2 is equal. Here I can't take 0 because 0 is excluded. So I can't take x1, x2, 0. So this we can define. So in this case x1 and x2 will be equal. So f is 1 function. That is clear. This for 1 we did for 1. Now for onto function, if I do for onto, let y belongs to 1. Let take any arbitrary element from this set codomain, that is y, which belongs to y, that is here, that is what? R, real numbers. Y belongs to y is what here? Real numbers, that is r. So y belongs to r. Y belongs to r. Let y is equal to f of x. Let y is equal to fx is equal to what? 1 by x. So y is equal to what? 1 by x. Or I can say x is equal to 1 by y. X is equal to 1 by y. Now you see, if x is equal to 1 by y, if I will put from the codomain, all are what? Real numbers. So 0 is also a real number. If I will put, if y is equal to 0, which belongs from real numbers. From y I can take real numbers. Here I have to exclude 0, but here I can take 0. If I will take 0 as an element, y is equal to 0, which belongs to R, that is from codomain, then I can say x will be what? Is equal to 1 by 0 is equal to what? Infinity. X is equal to infinity is not a real number. It is not a real number. It's an idea. X is equal to what? Infinity. So we can't define this. X is equal to 1 by 0 is equal to infinity, or we can say can't define. And x does not. X is equal to infinity or can't define, or x is equal to can't define. X does not belong to real numbers minus 0, or x does not belongs to this x. X does not belong to x. So for this 0, 0 is not any image of from any element in domain. So this 0 does not have any pre-image in domain. So I can say this function is not onto. F is not onto function. This is not onto function. Is it clear? This is one function, but this is not onto function. Is it clear? That's why the function do not have inverse, or this is not an invertible function, because the function is invertible only when function is both 1 1 also and onto also. Not if it is 1 1, it is not. If it is 1 1 and onto both, then only I can say the function is inversible or invertible. So this is 1 1, but this is not onto. Now second part you can see. Second part you can see x is equal to minus 1 0 1 2 minus 1 0 1 2, y is equal to 2 comma 3, y is equal to 2 comma 3, and fx is equal to 2, fx is equal to 2, for x is equal to minus 1 0 1, minus 1 0 1, and f of 2 is equal to 3, f of 2 is equal to 3. F of x is equal to 2 for x is equal to minus 1 0 comma 1, and f of 2 is equal to 3. So it is 1 1 or not? Tell me, it is 1 1 or not? 1 1 or not? You see, f of x is, for x is equal to minus 1 0 1, fx is what? 2, means f of minus 1 is equal to 2, f of 0 is equal to 2, f of 1 is equal to 2, and f of 2 is equal to 3. These all are given. It means function will be what? Minus 1 comma 2, 0 comma 2, 1 comma 2, and 2 comma 3. So what is the domain of a function? Minus 1 0 1 2. Range of a function is equal to what? 2 2 2 3. So 2 comma 3. So here you can see this function is, domain is what? Minus 1 0 1 2. So here also domain is what? Minus 1 0 1 2. Range of a function is what? 2 comma 3 is equal to what? Codomain of a function. Is it clear? Codomain of function, that is what? 2 comma 3. So range of a function and codomain of a function both have what? Is it clear? F of minus 1 is equal to 2. F of 0 is equal to 2. So this is what? Onto function. This is onto function. Here range of function is what? Codomain of function, that is what? 2 3. So codomain and range. Range is what? 2 2 2 3. So range is what? 2 comma 3. Codomain is what? 2 comma 3. So I can say this function is onto function. But this function is not 1 1 function, because different elements minus 1 0 1 have same image as what? 2 2 2. If I represent like this, I will show you. This is x, this is 1. This is minus 1 0 1 2. Here it is 2 3. So minus 1 is also related to 2. 0 is also related to 2. 1 is also related to 2 is related. So all three distinct elements from domain X have same image in codomain Y, that is 2. It is not possible. This is what? Many one function. Many elements, different many elements have same image. So this is many one function. This is not 1 1, not 1 1 function. It is only onto function, but not 1 1 function. So it is not 1 1. So I can't say that this is invertible function. For function to be invertible, both conditions should satisfy, that it should be 1 1 also and it should be onto also. Now to fourth part. Fourth part you can see. Third part, sorry. Second part, no, third part. X is equal to R is equal to Y. X is equal to R is equal to Y. X and Y sets, domain and codomain are what? Real numbers. And fx is equal to x square plus 1. Fx is equal to x square plus 1 for all x belongs to R. For all x belongs to real numbers. For all x belongs to real numbers. So let, first I'll prove 1 1 or not, or onto or not. So 1 1 first. Let x1 comma x2 belongs to real numbers. That is what? Domain. Domain is what? X. X is also what? R. So x1 x2 belongs to R such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So I can say x1 square plus 1 is equal to x2 square plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 cancels. So x1 square is equal to x2 square. I can say, but I can't say x1 is equal to x2. This is not true for all real numbers. Let's say, let x1 I am taking minus 1, x2 I am taking 1. So you know x1 square is equal to x2 square, that is 1 only. Minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 square, that I know that is 1 is equal to 1. But here minus 1 is not equal to 1. But their squares are equal. So I can say fx1 is equal to fx2, but x1 is not equal to x2. So I can say this is not 1 1 function, not 1 1 function. Is it clear? Now we have to prove onto or not. We have to check for onto. Now take onto. Let fx is equal to what? Y is equal to x square plus 1. So x square is equal to what? Y minus 1, or x is equal to root of y minus 1. X is equal to what? Root of y minus 1. Let's say I am taking any number, any real number. So real number can be negative also. I am taking y is equal to minus 63. Let's say minus 63 I am taking. Belongs to what? Real numbers from codomain. Codomain is what here? Y is equal to minus 63 belongs to real numbers from codomain. So x will be what? Root of minus 63 minus 1, it means root of minus 64, root of minus 64. What will I? Root of minus 64, negative numbers, 64. How will I write? Minus into 8 into plus 8. I can't write minus 8 into minus 8. If I write minus 8 into minus 8, that will be what? Plus 64. But here I need minus 64. So minus 8 into 8. So 8 into 8, 2 times. It will come 8 outside. Root of what? Minus 1. So it is what? 8 iota. This is what? Imaginary number, but it is not a real number, does not belong to R. So for y is equal to minus 63 belongs to R. If this is a real number from codomain, but this is not a real number. So for this, pre-image is not possible. So I can say the function is not onto. Is it clear? So the function is not bijective, not 1 1, not onto. Is it clear? Now question number 4. Question number 4. Let S is equal to A, B, C. Three elements are given A, B, C. And T is equal to 1, 2, 3. T is equal to 1, 2, 3. Three elements are given. Find F inverse of the following functions from S to T. Find F inverse of the following functions F from S to T if it exists. Is it clear? First I will write F is from S to T. It is given. You have to find F inverse. It will be what? T to S. That is clear. F inverse is from T to S. So you have to find inverse of these functions. Two functions are given. First part I am doing. F is equal to A comma 3, B comma 2, C comma 5. Directly they are asking F functions there S to T. They are asking find if it exists. Let S is equal to A, B, C, T is equal to 1. Find F inverse of the following functions F from S to T if it exists. If it exists. So first I have to check if it exists or not. So first I will check. If it is possible means F inverse will be what? From T to S. First I will check. A, B, C. This is what? Domain S. This is codomain T. 1, 2, 3. So you can see A is related to 3. B is related to 2, C is related to 1. So distinct elements from domain A, B, C have distinct images in codomain. So I can say this is what? 1, 1 function. This is 1, 1 function. Or on to have to check. All elements have pre-image in domain. So on to, because RF is equal to what? Codomain. So this is what? On to, so RF is equal to, range of a function is equal to codomain of function. Range of function is what? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is equal to what? Codomain is also what? 1, 2, 3. Codomain is equal to what? T. So this is on to also. Both. So it is 1, 1 also. On to also means F inverse is possible. If F is from S to T, F inverse is from T to S. So A3, B2 directly I can write F inverse. That will be A, 3. So it is 3, A. B, 2. So 2, B. And C, 1. So 1, C. Like this you can write. Is it clear? Now second part. F is from S to. First I have to check whether it exists or not. F is equal to. Second part you can see F is equal to. It is given A, 2. B, 1 and C, 1. A, 2, B, 1 and C, 1. So you can see this is my domain, this is my codomain T. So A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. So A is related to 2, B is related to 1, C is related to 1. So you can see here, B also have image what? 1 and C also have image what? 1. So this is what? Many one function, not 1, 1, many one function. F of B is equal to 1, F of C is equal to 1. It is not possible for a function to be 1, 1. For a function to be 1, 1. It is not possible. Both have same values, it is not possible. So it is a many one function. So if it is a many one function, so directly I can say it is many one also, and here range of a function is what? 1, 2, only 2 elements are used. 3 is left, and codomain is what? 1, 2, 3. So I can say range of function is not equal to codomain of a function. So here it is not 1, 1 function, it is a many one function, and it is not onto function, it is what? Into function. But a function is invertible, and F inverse exists for a function which is both 1, 1 also and onto also. So here both conditions are not satisfying. So I can say F inverse does not exist. So inverse, F inverse not possible. Like this you can write. F inverse not possible. Now question number 5th. Question number 5th. F is from R to R. Function is defined F is from R to R. And Fx is given 4x plus 5. Fx is equal to 4x plus 5. It is given. Let R be the set of all real numbers R to R. Domain and codomain both are same real numbers. Show that the function f is from R to R defined by fx is equal to 4x plus 5 is invertible. You have to show that this is invertible. Invertible means what? You have to show first that is 1, 1 also, it is onto also. First I am checking for 1, 1. Let x1, x2 belongs to real numbers from domain be such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. It means 4x1 plus 3 is equal to 4x2 plus 3. Plus 3 cancel. 4x1 is equal to 4x2, 4 cancel. So I can say x1 will be equal to x2 for all x1, x2 belongs to real numbers. Is it clear? So x is a function is what? 1 1, fx1 is equal to fx2, and I proved that x1 is equal to x2. If fx1 is equal to fx2, then x1 should be equal to x2 for a function to be 1 1. Is it clear? So it is 1 1 function. It is 1 1. This is 1 1 condition. And if fx1 is not equal to fx2, then x1 also should not be equal to x2. That is also for condition for 1 1. Function to be 1 1. So this is clear, 1 1. Now on to function, I have to check. So let consider any element, consider any y which belongs to R, that is from codomain. Then f of x is equal to what? Y, or I can say 4x plus 5 is equal to what? Y, or I can say 4x is equal to y minus 5, or x is equal to y minus 5 by 4. X is equal to y minus 5 by 4. So you know, if y belongs to, here I am writing x is equal to what? Y minus 5 by 4. I will write here. X is equal to y minus 5 by 4. So as if y belongs to real numbers, if I put any real number, y belongs to real number, I know y minus 5 by 4 will belong to real number only. So for all real numbers from codomain have pre-image in domain. So all elements, if y belongs to R, y minus 5 by 4, that is x, also belongs to real numbers. Thus for all y belongs to R, there exists x. I will write here. Thus for all y belongs to R from codomain, there exists x. There exists x is equal to what? Y minus 5 by 4 belongs to R, that is from domain. X value is from domain. So for all y belongs to R, all values from codomain have x, that is pre-image in codomain which belongs from R domain, such that f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to such that f of x is equal to f of x is what? Y minus 5 by 4 is equal to what? F of x is equal to f of y minus 5 by 4. X is equal to what? Y minus 5 by 4. And you know fx is equal to 4x plus 5. So f of y minus 5 by 4 will be what? 4. At the place of x, I have to write y minus 5 by 4 plus 5 plus 3. That is 3 plus 3. At the place of x, I am substituting y minus 5 by 4. 4 cancel. So we'll get what? 1 minute. Y minus 5 by 4, 1 minute. What a mistake. Y minus 5 by 4. Fx is equal to y minus 5 by 4x plus 5. So this is 5. 4x plus 5. Here it is 5. Here it is 5. Okay. So here it is 5 only. So you will get y minus 5 plus 5 minus 5 plus 5 is equal to what? Y. So f of x is equal to what? Y. You know, for a function, if it is an invertible function, f of x is equal to y, then f of y is equal to x. That is clear. So here you can say f of x is equal to what? Y. Sorry, f of x is equal to y, and f inverse of y is equal to x. Fx is equal to f of x, that is y minus 5 by 4. F of x is equal to 4x plus 5. So f of y minus 5 by 4 is equal to what? 4. At the place of x, I am writing 5. Y minus 5 by 4. 4 cancel. Y minus 5 plus 5 minus 5 plus 5 cancel. So y. So fx is equal to y. So I can say after that fx is equal to y. Fx is equal to y. So I can say every element in the codomain of f, every element in the codomain of f has its pre-image, in the domain of f, or I can say f is onto function. Hence the given function is bijective. It is 1 1 also and onto also. So function is bijective So function is bijective and it is invertible. It is bijective, so it is invertible. Invertible, so f inverse exists. F inverse exists. So let f of x is equal to y is equal to 4x plus 5. So I can write x is equal to what? 4x is equal to what? Y minus 5, or x is equal to y minus 5 by 4. X is equal to y minus 5 by 4. Now you know y is equal to fx. Y is equal to fx and f is invertible. F is invertible. So I can write what? F inverse of y is equal to x. F inverse y is equal to x, or f inverse y is equal to x is what? Y minus 5 by 4. F inverse y is equal to y minus 5 by 4. So function you can say f inverse is from what? R to R. F is from what? R to R. So reverse is what? R to R only. So f inverse is from R to R is given by f inverse y is equal to y minus 5 by 4. F inverse y is equal to y minus 5 by 4. This is inverse. This is clear? Question number 5. Remaining questions I will do in next video. Thank you.